Now, you guys may be familiar with the M16 series. We worked for many years with Kit Carson. He passed a couple of years ago, but we're honoring this titan and legend of knife making with some new M16s. A lot of feedback that we heard back from the community was that they wanted a simple frame lock. Oftentimes you'll see that there's the automated liner safety system in M16 knives, but these are really everyday carry versions, and what they have is a simple frame lock design. Now the way that that works is you just push this off to the base of the blade, and the blade will actually close. Now to deploy these M16s, they work on a flipper. So you just flip the knife there and they come out smooth and fast, and that's the new M16 knife right here from Kit Carson, M16 04KS. These holes are very distinctive to the M16 design and actually shed weight. These are stainless steel handles, you got a frame lock and a Carson flipper opening and a black oxide finish. There's the 04KS, 03KS, which is the spear point version, and my favorite, good pocket size, the 02KS. These are all in black, they're attractive M16 knives, and we're honoring a classic, a legend, Kit Carson, with these new M16s.